how to add text on screen on OBS Studio. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text on the screen on OBS easily. First thing, go to your OBS. This is the home page, as you can see, and this is the record screen. It's live. Now if you want to add a text, or what you have to do is go right here to the sources and click on your right mouse and click add, go down and click text. Now choose what you want to write, for example how to media, and click OK. Now choose your text font from here. You have many options. Click OK, and now rewrite your text, how to media. As you can see, now I have the text on the screen. As you can see, you can move it as you want just from here easily. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you later.